Hey there. Have you ever come across some mind-blowing art? Well, get ready to be amazed because I want to show you this incredible chainsaw carving. To kick things off, the talented crafter starts with this massive trunk. It's hard to believe, but as they make those initial cuts, you can already see the shape of a bunny emerging. Can you imagine trying to do this with a saw? It takes a whole lot of skill, that's for sure. Watch closely as they use the saw to carefully cut out the rabbit's eyes. It's a delicate process, but this crafter makes it look easy. And then they use the same tool to carve out the nose and mouth. It's insane how they bring this wooden block to life. As the carving progresses, it starts to look incredibly realistic. Isn't it just fascinating how a simple piece of wood can be transformed into such a masterpiece? But we're not done yet. Next up, the crafter meticulously sands the surface, adding those finishing touches that really make it pop. We're almost there, and I have to say, this crafter truly deserves recognition for their incredible work. Take a good look at this masterpiece. It's hard to believe that all of this was created using a chainsaw. If you're as impressed as I am, don't forget to hit that like button and follow for more astonishing creations. Who knows what we'll discover next? Stay tuned! Hey there, everyone. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the process of creating some practical and handy DIY tools. So let's dive right into it. First, grab a spanner and let's get to work. Start by chipping off the circular end of the spanner and drilling a hole right through it. Then, cut out the spanner's central portion and clear off any rust or debris. Now, it's time to put these two pieces together. Weld them securely and then smooth out the surface for a polished finish. With the remaining metal, shape a tiny nozzle. And you've just created a versatile device that can tackle nuts and stubborn bolts effortlessly. Next up, take some circular metal pieces and stack them up. Weld them together and attach them to both sides of a hinge. Repeat the process on just one side of the hinge, making sure to precisely smooth out the surface. Then, drill a hole through a metal lever pass a screw through it, and fix the lever onto the single-layered hinge. This setup will prove incredibly useful for curling up metal sheets. Now let's craft a tool for cutting and marking cylindrical pipes. Weld 3 protruding metal ends together and add screws to 2 of them. Cover the ends with bolts, and you've got a handy device for those pipe-related tasks. Moving on, take a cuboidal metal piece and cut out one side. Drill a hole through the horizontal part and attach a bolt and screw mechanism. Weld from both ends to ensure a sturdy connection. Throw in a sponge and you've just made a fantastic tool for opening those pesky tight jars. Thanks so much for joining me on this DIY adventure. I hope you found these tool-making tips helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting projects in the next video. Until then, happy crafting, and I'll see you soon. I'm excited to show you how we craft an outdoor oven using a yoga ball and cement. It's a fascinating process, so let's dive right in. I'll attach the inflated yoga ball to a pre-made wooden oven mold and chimney. To ensure a perfect fit, I molded a wire mesh according to the shape of the wooden mold and yoga ball. Then I carefully removed the molded wire mesh and begin covering everything with cement, ensuring it's all smooth and even with the help of a trowel. The wire mesh goes back into the oven, and I apply yet another layer of cement. To give the oven a nice textured surface, I scrape the top layer gently. Once the cement has fully hardened, it's time for a crucial step: deflating and removing the yoga ball. I start by applying cement onto a wooden mold. Once that's done, I lay a wire mesh over the cement and add another layer of cement on top. Using a wooden plank, I carefully scrape off any excess cement. After letting the cement dry, I can remove the wooden mold, and what's left is the sturdy base of our oven. With everything prepared, it's finally time to attach the oven to its sturdy base. And there you have it! Our outdoor oven is complete and ready for action. Now it's time to put this fantastic oven to use and bake some delicious pizza. If you enjoyed this process and want to see more awesome videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me on this crafting journey.